It looks like the Scent Theory. And these are hand sanitizers. Look at this. And they have all of these. And look, you guys, they're only 25 cents. All right, so I'm gonna give you a close-up what it looks like. And keep clean kills 99.9% germs, which is the most important thing. Here's the UPC. And you want to scan it to make sure they're only 25 cents. All right, we're going to scan it, but you guys can see it says 25 cents here. And we're going to go ahead and grab a few. All right, let's see. Uh-oh, not coming up. This is a 3 ounce. Let's try again. Still not coming up. What's going on with the Walmart app?
Guys, you gotta keep
All right,
scanning.
there you guys go, right there. 25 cents. So this is what they have left. And we'll probably just take a few because you guys cannot go wrong with hand sanitizer, especially during this time. So let us know below if you guys score. And look at that. This is better than a Dollar Tree, for real. This is way better than Dollar Tree. We paid $1 for a bunch of them at the Dollar Tree. We should have just came here. All right, so let us know if you guys score below. And good luck. All right, we also found this right here. And it's the Lysol. I think it's called Lysol Smart. And this is a citrus breeze scent. And it comes with, I guess, a bottle and the refill. And how do you use this thing? So it says 20 times reusable bottle. I don't know.
I think you just fill it with water and then you have this inside of it.
Okay, say it again.
So you have...
Uh-oh, almost caught you dropping it.
So you just fill it with water, it looks like.
Uh-huh.
And then you have this piece that comes with it, which is the cleaning supply inside.
Uh-oh, hold on. Your phone is glaring. All right, so this is the bottle it comes with, and it also comes with the nozzle, the spray, and it comes with this. So I guess you fill the water up to this line right here.
Oh, that's exactly what you do.
Okay.
There you go. You fill the water up to the line, you load the cartridge, and you just keep reusing it and reusing it.
You guys, I'm definitely getting this because you can't go wrong with antibacterial cleaner.
And just water with that little thing you can reuse kills 99.9.
All right, so this is what it looks like. And again, you fill it with water and then you use this solution that it comes with. If you guys can find these, snatch them. All right, so again, it's Lysol Smart. It saves 75% of plastic. It says bottle is designed to be reused 25 times.
Dang, that's good.
Yeah, here's the UPC. And you got your phone ready?
Yeah.
Not ready, not ready.
It's always ready.
All right, so we're going to scan this for you guys because we already scanned it and it is great. It is a great price. I can't even talk today. All right, you ready? All right, look at this, you guys. Boom. $1.50. $1.50. We found two, so we're going to grab them. And again, it's the Lysol Smart Multi-Purpose Cleaner. Look at that, $1.50. So you can't beat that.
Wow.
And remember, we went to the Dollar Tree and found all those Lysol lemon scented. Yeah, so we're going to use those for the bottle. So
when you think about this, this is 25 times that you can use. That's
okay.
like 25 bottles for $1.50.
Wait. When you pour that solution, you can use that 25 times?
Yeah, you just refill. It stays in there. You
Oh.
just refill it with water 25 times with that same little bottle.
That little thing?
So for $1,
25?
Yeah, for $1.50, you're getting 25 bottles.
Yes, let us know below if you guys score. But next time you guys are at Walmart, either go to the clearance or go to the cleaning supplies and look for this. And hopefully it's $1.50 in your area. All right, you guys, look what we found. I'm going to kill you, for real. I told you no more shopping.
I told you.
All right, look what we found, you guys. We are not kidding when we tell you guys about this Grinch. We just found, come on, another one. Another one.
Again, that is no reference to DJ Khaled whatsoever.
This music is super loud, so it's hard to hear you, but we're gonna go ahead and grab this, you guys. I swear my husband is crazy. We bought one before that was missing parts. So what we did now to make sure, we went ahead and opened it and we counted the pieces. So everything is here. So we're gonna go ahead and take this and hopefully this will sell.
Oh,
Today within the next 20 minutes. Let's say 20.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, we got to get out of here. 3:21.
All right.
All right.
So,
one more time, you guys.
Again.
Wait, one more time. The time is 3:21 p.m. And we got this Grinch. And our other Grinch sold within 15 minutes.
About that, yeah.
About 15, 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So let's see how long it's going to take for this bad boy to sell.
It may not go in 15 minutes, but it's going to go today. I'm going to say today. We'll see what happens.
All right, let's see.
All right, so now remember, if I tell you buy it, it's for a reason, right? So I'm going to show you what I was selling it for.
You going to show them all that?
Yeah, I don't care.
Oh, man.
There's no more Grinches. If I find another one, I'm still going to
Y'all
sell
going to have to make some good donations to us. Come on. All right, our P.O. box is in the description, and we love gifts because, I mean, we giving you guys some insight.
This is gold. I'm going to tell you it again. I told you before on the live. If you didn't see it, go back and watch the live. This is gold. So, This is what I was selling it for. Now, take a look back here. This is what I'm buying it for. But it's going to be a little change. So, I sold it, and I haven't had it.
The helicopter loud.
I'm over here giving gold.
Alright, sorry, it was loud. Okay.
So I haven't had it in a while. So if I look at what it's going for now.
So what was the price before again?
So I was selling it for $389.99.
Okay.
That's great profit already. This is great profit. After fees, after shipping, I'm still 150 up at least. But now it's going for $449.
Oh wow.
And what I said it was before? $389?
$389.
So it's another $60. $70.
It cost us what to ship? About $30?
$60. Yeah.
To ship?
About $30 to ship.
Yeah.
So $449, about $30 to ship, about $50 in fees for that amount, let's say. So that's $80. I'm still making over $200. About $200. All right. So I'm gonna list it. I've been talking all this time.
All right.
Let me go back to my inventory.
All right. So he's gonna list it, you guys, and
I'll show you. It says 0.
Okay. So it says 0 inventory, and now you're gonna put 1.
All right.
Wait. So does that mean that we have to travel to a couple different other Walmarts to see if they have any Grinches?
$447.
$447?
Yeah.
Is that? Are you the cheapest?
Yeah.
You can't do $448? $449?
All right, so let me make sure it's updated here.
All right. Now you guys remember the time, and when it sells, we're gonna let you guys know what time it sold.
Right.
Again, this is what you guys, while he's doing that, this is what you guys need to look for. This is the UPC. Hopefully you guys can see it. And we got our hand sanitizers down here too. He's bringing out more Christmas trees. Look at this. All right.
So it's $449. It'll update in a second, but it's already at $449. So let's see, $325. Let's see how long it takes.
All right. So it's $325 right now?
Yeah.
All right. See, when it sells again, we're gonna go ahead and let you know. Now, are we gonna go to a couple more Walmarts and see if we can find some Grinches?
Yeah.
I'm down for it.
If
we already
there's one
out.
in one, there's one in another. So
Oh, Manny.
let's check.
What am I gonna do with this man? All right. So we'll be back, and we're gonna let you guys know what time and what date this sold. Yes, I am super tired, you guys. You know, we left the house at 6:37. It's now 3:30, almost 4. And he doesn't stop. Like, for real. Oh. We don't remember where we parked. We don't have no more room in our car. You know what? I'm going to tell you guys, it might not be a good idea to teach your husband how to clearance shop, because this happened. This happened.
I'm planning the next trip.
The what?
I'm planning the next trip. That's why.
What next trip?
So the next trip, I'm probably gonna go to Egypt.
Oh, the next vacation.
Yeah.
Yeah, we cannot wait to go to Hawaii. My brother's ready, we ready, and we ready to bring you guys with us. But right now, I'm about to go to sleep in the car. Again, what time is it? Let's give them a time.
3:39.
Okay, 3:39, you guys. Let's see what time this bad boy is gonna sell. Wish us luck.
Thank you.